Hi, this is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to change your backup email on WhatsApp. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go. WhatsApp is one of the most widely used instant messaging platform and across the globe. The service can be used to connect with other via text and calls, and user can share video files such as image, videos, audio, and document. In case you are switching between devices or are just worried about losing your chat history, WhatsApp allows you to back up your data. And now, what if you want to change your email for your backup data on WhatsApp? It's so simple. So first of all, of course, we have to open our WhatsApp. Now you can just tap on the upper right corner, the three dots over here. You can tap on settings. You can scroll down and tap on chats. There is an option chat backup. You can just tap on that. And you'll see on manage Google storage or the Google account. You can just tap on that. Now you can just change your email with the email that you want to use for your WhatsApp backup. You can tap on continue. And now here's, as you can see, the email has been changed for my backup data. It's so simple, right? So that is how to change your email for backup data on WhatsApp. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.